This will be my last live stream until I go live again and I show evidence of the hacking. I want to read something to you guys, to my supporters and the people that did actually, yeah, you all did a felony. So I'm going to let my supporters know here what's going on. So I'm going to read this actual law. You people should really get your facts straight and know your laws before you do something. The penalties for hacking. Under state and federal laws, unauthorized access of another person's information on a computer is illegal. Did you hear that? It's illegal. This includes the use of keylogging software. Depending on whether the charges are based on state or federal law, the penalties can vary widely, but are rarely not severe. Keylogging can loosely be construed as a form of wiretapping, and under federal law, can result in a 2-decade-long incarceration. That does mean if you're found guilty, it's possible to serve 20 years in prison. Also, consequences for minors that hack school computers can include being expelled from school, as a dozen or so students learned a few years back after their keyloggers were discovered. So here's the thing. I do have videos and I have a screenshot of her own comments. Jasmine did actually admit to having involvement in this hacking. You did commit a felony, a crime. This is very serious. It's a felony. I know several people are also involved with Miss Jasmine. Here's the thing. I will show some mercy. I'm a nice person, whatever. If the people involved in this hacking do come forward to me and confess, then we're good. But if not, then Jasmine will take the fall for this felony for the rest of the people that were involved in this hacking. You all continue to commit felonies. Yep, I can prove this. You know, you admit to your involvement in this, you backtrack and keep saying different stories, whatever. We have you on camera, we have your testimony, we know what you did. You were involved in this hacking. You're so paranoid. See, your curiosity with Blondie can get you in a lot of trouble. It can put you 20 years in prison. Was it worth it? This part is hilarious. I have been laughing my ass off the last 30 to 40 minutes. I'll tell you why. You broads are so, well, you're stupid. That's a given. You're so paranoid. Oh my God, so funny. You guys do not hear what I say. You jump as usual, and you called my police department on yourselves. Do you realize what you just did? You called my police on yourselves for a felony that you committed. You all got curious, got paranoid. You did not hear what I said. You thought and you assumed something and you called the police. I never once said that I was taking my computer to my police. I said I was making an appointment that I'm taking my computer and my phone to the authorities. Did I say cops? Did I say popo? Did I say police? No. The authorities are not the cops. I wasn't referring to police. I never said that shit. I mean, why the hell would I sit here and say, oh, I got an appointment with my cops to have my shit checked out? That's not what I said. The joke is on you people. You got triggered, you got paranoid, and you didn't hear me, and you just jump. I never once said I'm taking my computer and phone to my police. However, the report from the computer and phone diagnostic testing, okay, that report will then be brought to the police, and I will be filing charges. I will be up at the police department. I will be putting out charges on people that were involved in this hacking. If you want me to show you mercy, you can come to me and confess what you did. Again, if not, the person that confessed to this shit, the person that had involvement, she will take the fall for all of you. Your involvement in this will get you in trouble. So, you all got paranoid and you thought that I meant the cops and you called the cops on yourselves. Wow. Clap, clap. How stupid would you must be to call my police department? Oh, we heard that Sharon's going to get her computer done at the police. I never said that. I do call certain people, authorities or officials. I never once said police. Again, you all sat there and called the police for no reason. I spoke to a female detective that I know very well. And the thing is, I was told I have every right to call the sheriff's office. I can call the sheriff's office. I don't care if Taylor is a detective. I have the right to call the sheriff's office, the R above KPD. She told me, if you feel things are not getting done or taken care of, you have the right. I have the right to call the sheriff's office. Voices were recorded. They were sent to proper authorities. I have talked to my police and sheriff. I spoke to Florida about the SWAT call. I was told he had so many days to file an investigation. It never got done. He never pursued this. They told me that my daughter nor myself were not being watched. We're not in trouble. There's no charges here. You want to scream, you got away with this. First of all, if this doctor felt that me or my daughter had any involvement in this, I do believe here this person would have pursued an investigation on my daughter or myself. Did that happen? No. He had days. Do you think I've not seen the report? I asked a while back to see this. You all say, no, you can't see this. I'm being accused here of a crime. My daughter, a minor, is being accused of a crime. So why can't you people give me the report back then? Well, I've seen things, okay? I know what I was told by Florida, okay? The person did not pursue this investigation. My daughter nor myself had any involvement in this. You all know what happened. The people involved in this issue confessed. They confessed who the woman was on the phone. A woman, not a teenage girl. They already confessed to this shit. I got a confession from the person involved. Like I said, all this crap is being dealt with. So can you just move on now and stop trying to put my kid in danger and gaslight my ass? Stop gaslighting me and my daughter. Don't make her the scapegoat. The person confessed to what they did, but the confession was already out there. I have been saying this for a while, that the people involved in this crap were being dealt with. I know who you are under the Keith account asking me for proof against Eli or SB. Why? The confession was out there of the people involved. Why ask me constantly of proof of who did this? Why ask me? Because you all know that my daughter nor myself did this. Because why again would you ask me for any voice clips, any proof? That's also why you people hacked into my privacy. A felony. You want to see who I talked to? Who did what? Where's your article? Where's your website? No one's going to demand me to hurry my website up or my article. You want to demand me because you took that and got paranoid. You got some of your friends together to hack my shit. You don't hear me and you jump and call the cops on yourselves. Because why? I never said the authorities or the police on my computer. I'm aware who comes out that tests your electronics. I'm not stupid. I mean, I guess you people want to be orange for 20 years. Okay, whatever. Your choice, consequences. You keep screaming that I stole my kid's bed. You make the statement that I stole their bed. You then said I sold the beds to pay back Sara. Still, you people do not listen. You want to hear what you want to hear. I have said now 4 times. The beds were sold for 2 different better beds that fit into their room. The portion 2 portions. The leftover money from purchasing the beds were split up. So how the hell can I sit here? Oh, I just had the bed sold to pay back Sara. That's not what happened. Add shit, make up things, contort, and twist. You think here you're good people because you put an emoji over my kid's face? Hypocrites. Hypocrites. I'll tell you why. For a year, you've all been saying that I never thanked anyone. You said, Jasmine, I never thanked you. Well, when Blondie read off the conversation between me and you, did she not read off the part where I did say I was thankful, I was grateful, I said thank you, didn't I? Yeah, I did. You just proved me right that you're hypocrites. You had her read off the conversation. And again, I did say thank you, grateful, and thankful. I've got a question for you. No, I don't actually. F you. A statement for you, Jasmine. I'm not sure why your husband that you cooked for a Canadian, why would you want to sit there and discuss getting my kid a dresser or a dollhouse? In the video, the pictures I sent you a year ago, over a year ago, did Blondie not show the videos that I sent you? Yes, right? Okay. And pictures. Yes? Okay. It's very clear that my younger daughter at that time already had a Barbie dream house and a dresser. You can see in that video, my daughter had a Barbie dream house, a dresser. I gave the options to Jordan about a dresser. I asked her, you know what? You want a big dresser, a small dresser? Do you want the drawers? What do you want? She's the one, her own mouth, and told me she preferred the drawers. And you want to sit there and try to shame me of this or my TV? Jordan has never been hurt from that TV of the drawers. Also, a little bit of tidbit info for you guys. That TV was not always set on those drawers. The TV at one point was somewhere else. So the pictures I took, yes, at that moment, it happened to be the TV was on the drawers. Is this what it comes down to? To house shaming? Oh, let's discuss her TV. Jordan is not stupid when opening up her drawers. That TV is not heavy. Okay? And You want to pick these things. You want to keep picking. You want to nitpick shit to fight for content, to clout chase, right? You want to sit here and keep going and going. Why? What you showed on your live today, those photographs were taken over a year. Let's say my surgery happened November, December, January. Okay, over a year and maybe 3 months, maybe. Okay. So, well over a year ago, you now show pictures of how my house looked. Not an apartment, Christina, or duh, my townhouse. Back then, at that moment, before my surgery, yes, my daughter was moving crap around downstairs. So, I don't care. Oh, a small little mess. I don't care. That happened one time and one day. Things were being moved around. I don't care. How my house looks now, not the same from last year. How my house looks now, my rooms, not your business, is it? My house looks nothing like that now. Okay, the whole argument. Oh, put the beds in your room, Sharon. I've had people in my home. It's not a secret. And for one, SB and JT both know of my rooms. You all are so stupid. In this townhouse, it's tall and slender. Newsflash, idiots. My daughters share the master. I do not have the master bedroom. Yeah. Yeah. So I did give my daughters the master bedroom. I have the smaller room. Do you all not think before you speak? Again, no facts, opinions, assumptions. There is actual space right now. The last 2 months, there is more space in their room. So, no, I don't need to sit here and show what my house looks like right now. I've got new shit in my room, my kids' room, living room, the kitchen, whatever. Awesome new washing machine last year. It's not your business what my house looks like or what I'm doing. Oh, you can prove at one point you say I cannot afford bunk beds. Well, I can prove I have photographs that I sent you of different bunk beds that they wanted. some choices. I can prove at a point I had some more money to put together for the couch and the bunk beds. You want to bait me, so I'll sit here and show you what my dad did, what he gave me. Fuck you people. You don't get anything. I don't need to show you my Chanel purse or wallet. You jealous? You triggered? Why do you care? Why do you people care? A narcissist feels like they are entitled to someone's business. That is what you all are. You shouldn't be worried what my house looks like. You shouldn't worry about what income I have, what my kids are doing. You should be worried about what I'm going to do with the report from you assholes hacking me. I'm not sure why you can say you had no involvement, but you do. You did. Is it worth 20 years in prison if found guilty? Here's the thing. I have screenshots off my phone that my shit was tampered with. I have the alerts. I also have a state that shows where one issue happened. Yeah. You really think here you got me? You think here you got me on this phone and trying to see what I'm doing, who I'm talking to? It's not that hard for me to get a new phone, is it? I can get a whole new phone. Question: how the hell am I clout chasing or fame chasing? Because people have come to me of my CSA that support what I do, that encourage me. I've always been around famous people, especially from Florida. Some in Georgia, Texas, North Carolina, Tennessee. I can't help it if they're drawn to me and want to help what I do. You think that I'm on Twitter talking to somebody? You don't know nothing about my life. That's why you want to hack me, right? You want to see who's talking to me. I've always been around people that are famous. I was at a location when Demi Moore made the movie Striptease. My friend and myself live behind the street of the Eager Beaver, an old cocktail joint. abandoned. They used the property for the movie. I did in fact meet Demi and Bruce, and I met other people. Tons of people met them. I have always said I knew certain people, but I'm also friends with certain people. I never said I'm their friend. I never said I'm all their friend. I have certain people that I am friends with. Also, people I have met. I have had replies and comments from posts from Norman Reedus. Did I say we're friends? No. You all assume that and mock me. I said he responded and liked what I said a while back. I never claimed here that me and him were friends. You all assume this. I do have certain people that I'm close to that I do not talk out there publicly for reasons. Oh, Sharon, because you knew one person, you're not this and that. You don't know shit. I don't care you're on movie sets. You yourself told me that your actor uncle was a pervert, a pig, and a freaking racist, right? Okay. I don't care you're on sets. I have also been on at least 3 sets in Florida. I was promoting bands in Ybor City. Sean came forward and said this. All this shit I've said is true. Sean was with me at some times in Ybor. And Sean knew who I worked for. Sean knew what band I promoted, who I hung out with, the clubs, out to eat. He knows what I did, who I knew, who had called me. I worked for a company. Okay? See, you all think here, you know my whole life. You don't. Oh, it's so awesome. Oh, I'm lying. No, I'm not lying, actually. But go ahead and think that. Go ahead and say I'm lying. I don't care. I know my past. I have contacts on other phones from the past. I've got a damn phone book of people I talked to that I've called in the past that have called me. You can't hack that, can you? You can't hack my address book. Remember when that chick, the sister of Nikki Taylor, passed away? Yeah, I know people. I always been around people who are famous. My brother worked for people. I have met Terry Hogan. I met Linda Hogan. I lived by them. I would see them shop at Albertsons. I've been at her restaurant back then. I've seen the shit before MTV happened. I knew them before all this shit happened with MTV, the divorce happened, whatever. I was cool with 8 wrestlers from Florida, female and male. I do know people. I have connections. But because here I don't show it, I'm a liar. I respect people. Okay? I don't want the drama to happen to them. I respect them. I do not want them to be questioned, to be harassed. You trolls are going to sit there and demand me to show something. I do not exploit Erica in any bad way. I have her permission also to discuss her of the CSA issue. The CSA issue. She helped me through CSA. She helped me come forward. I show proof. Oh, you're a liar still, but I show proof. I can show proof here. I'm a liar, right? Okay. You're hypocrites. You're hypocrites. I had a great life. At some point, during my life, it was great. From 6 to 17, not so great. The older years, I got older, I had a really cool life in Florida. I worked my ass off. I had cool cars. I promote bands. I knew people. I've never disrespected the people I know. I met people. I'm friends with some people. Again, I never said that I'm friends with all of them. I'm friends with certain people, yes. You want to bait me? So come on here and say who I know, who I talk to every damn day. No, I don't need to. Why think you're so entitled to my life? We're not married. You don't pay my bills. You want to say, oh, taxpayers, we pay your shit. I pay taxes, number one. I pay bills. Because food stamps don't pay for power, gas, toiletries, other shit does it. Dummies. I do pay bills. Yes, I struggled. Tons of people struggle. It's also bad right now with COVID. And because someone has food stamps, so what? More people now have received food stamps because of why? COVID. Lost their jobs or their business. Also, people are homeless too. You can't actually have a job and qualify for food stamps. I show proof, I'm a liar. I don't show something, I'm a liar. I don't give a shit. What I care about right now is that I take care of my daughters. You want to sit there harass Jordan? Call me a bad mom. I don't care for her or Caitlin. That I don't love them. Okay. Is that why my daughter has a high GPA and possibly a full ride to college? Even partly 2 years. Who cares? I got smart, awesome kids. I help my kids out. I take time for my children. I multitask. I do things here on Facebook, on YouTube, Instagram. I take care of my children. It's called multitasking. I don't get on here for 8 hours and hate and target people like you guys do. You guys constantly 4-hour live stream, 8-hour live stream. Good God. I mean, seriously, do your mouth ever get tired of saying my name and what I'm doing? Really? Don't you females ever get tired of this shit and just stop and leave me alone? I gave you people a choice. You wouldn't stop. You think it's cool to hack someone? It's a felony. You're idiots. You call the cops on yourself because you thought I said please. My computer. Nope. I never once said that. And I mean, Jasmine, you cuck your husband for Shangy. And then you got the teddy bear and the flowers. Okay, great. But you cuck your husband. Why would you ever upset him by telling him she stole her beds and she got the money for Sara? You upset your own husband? Really? You people don't listen, do you? You want to sit there and you want to hear what you want to hear. Me and my daughters, we are so ready for court. If it comes to this, yes, we're ready. I mean, seriously, again, is it worth 20 years in prison for a felony for hacking my shit? I don't care who I don't like. The people I don't like or care for, I would never hack their shit. I would never come after their children. In the past, 3 years ago, not this shit. No, this is not new shit. You all rehash shit to make it new. It's old shit. The bullshit I did in the past, I apologized to someone's children of my remark. But no, you want to keep rehashing and rehashing and rehashing. I said publicly and privately to her, I should never have said that. I did apologize, but you have her keep saying, remember this, Sharon? Yes, I do. It was dealt with years ago. You all rehash, rehash, and rehash. Clout chasers. Yep, clout chasers. Under accounts asking me to send in evidence to people. Because again, you know that my daughter nor myself had any involvement. You will not gaslight me or my daughter. You will not pin this shit on my daughter. I volunteered my time and energy. I told Florida, I told my police and sheriffs, I'm more than willing to be involved with this, to have my voice recorded, and my daughters, mind you, I'm more than willing to let them investigate us. It never happened. He had time. It never went through. I've seen things. I've seen documents. So you're pissed off that this person didn't do this. So your anger comes to me. Harassing kids. Oh, you're just so wonderful. You think here you're not scum because you put an emoji over my kid's face. You showed people still their master bedroom. You showed that shit. You just did the same thing that SB did, which she came to me and she apologized, as a woman should. Confess that shit to me and apologize to me. You all pulled the same shit she did, but worse. You want to twist shit, call me a pedophile. You know what? Like I said, the evidence will be revealed. I will file charges. The people will go down for hacking my shit. Detectives, the corporal, oh, trust me, they will be dealt with tomorrow. I got a right to defend myself. I got a right to call sheriff if I want to. It don't matter that he's a detective. I can call the sheriff. I can call their office and talk to them. I can make complaints against people that are detectives, that are police, that abuse their power and talk shit about someone. You possibly just got someone in trouble. Good for you. Clap, clap. Maybe you people should listen before you just do something. If Jordan didn't want to dress her and wanted yours, that's her choice. Why do you care? You paying for it? No, I did. You mentioned the old ass TVs. That was over a year ago. I don't have that little TV no longer, and my house looks different. Again, they have the master bedroom. They have the master bedroom. I took the smaller room the day I moved here 4 years ago. You think you know something, but you don't. That room, yes, that they share a master bedroom. You want me to sit here and show you the plans of the house, the blueprints? Assholes. You call me a druggie, call me a crackhead. Maybe people should be in the mirror. Look at yourself. You call me a crackhead? Really? Okay. You all got paranoid and called the police on yourself. I'm getting more comments on my videos. Show me the proof. Show me what these people did. Again, because you guys know. You all know that Jordan didn't do this. You know for a fact that Jordan nor myself had any involvement. They confessed a while back. It was public. You made it public. The person confessed to me. What the hell? They confessed to me what they did. You know that woman was not Jordan. Shut your freaking mouth and move on. I never committed any crimes. I made no crimes. I never did anything illegal. No felonies, nothing. But this group you constantly do crimes against people. I could sit here and name off 15 people you all have harassed. You tried to sit there and ruin their life, put them in a hospital, take their kids from them, make up lies, contort what I say. My kids were never locked in their room. You know, like I said, the hammer will hit the nail. You people will not continue to get away with these crimes. You can't call a felony an opinion or how you feel. It's a damn felony. What you all did is a damn felony. You all commit a felony and you all jump and call my cops on your own self because you thought the authorities was the police. Nope. I never again said police. I had an appointment for my shit get checked. I never said police. Exactly. You don't call the cops and go, hey, do my computer, please. I know who to call and what to do, Jasmine. I don't need you to be my teacher, bitch. I don't need you to do shit. I need you people to go away. Fuck off. Is it worth a possible 20-year prison sentence? I have every one of you all. I know who was involved in this shit. I got no problem showing mercy. I got no problem showing mercy. You come to me, confess. Okay, we're good. You go right ahead and you hide behind your little ringleader. Go ahead and hide behind Jasmine. He will be responsible for the crime you all did, period. So I'm going to go now and I'm going to go live when I have all the shit I need. And then I will file charges. It will be on my actual phone, posted to YouTube, or a slideshow, but it will be shown. And people will be called out on their shit. Keep doing felonies. Is it worth going to jail, not seeing your children? That will happen. You can go to jail for this shit. Sorry, not jail, prison. It's worse. I have never in 3 years commit any crimes and felonies. I made mistakes. I made some bad choices on what I said. I misspoke. I never commit felonies or crimes. The first time, maybe it didn't go so well in court. I guarantee this time it will. I'm ready. My kids are ready. You want to house shame me? Here's the funny shit again. Even when JT was in here in the summer, my house looks different from the summer. My living room, my freaking kitchen, my rooms, and my house, everything looks different. I don't need you or your husband to buy my kid a dollhouse. Almost 13. Okay, really? Look closely. She had a Barbie dream house and a dresser. And Jordan told me I'd rather have the plastic drawers. I asked her. I had the money to buy her a big ass dresser. She said, no, I want drawers. You did a violation again of my daughter's master bedroom of their shit. You pulled the same shit she did, but at least she came forward. You want to show pictures over a year ago in my kid's room? You violated their privacy. That will come out the court too, bitches. That's right. I got no problem filing every fucking state, every state that you're in. I got no problem filing shit. No problem attending Zoom calls that I file a fucking charge for. I'm not after tons of people. I'm after the main ones that did the legal shit. You commit a felony. I'm after you women, you certain women that pull the bullshit. Keep laughing on your live streams with Blondie. I don't care. Don't worry about what I'm doing. Don't worry about my income. If I were you bitches, I would worry what happens next when I file charges of crimes that you all were involved in. You got that? Great. Good. The hammer hitting the fucking nail. Keep underestimating me. You keep thinking I'm stupid. Really? Who's the idiot? You call my cops on yourselves. You called on yourselves because you're paranoid. And possibly just got some detective in trouble. Yeah, that's what's up, bitches. You don't think before you do something. Keep backtracking. Keep lying. I had the videos. I've got every fucking thing that I need. My supporters, thank you so much for today. Behind the scenes, the phone calls, the encouragement. Thank you for standing with me on this and helping me through this. I don't need an army. I do not want, I didn't ask for army. I need no army. I need no hate group. I can stand here, sit here, whatever. Be outside, be in the rain. I will always defend myself and stand my ground. I will go online when I want to go online. I will talk to the people I want to talk to. By the way, female Jamie came to me and made comments. She came to me first. I put out a video as a joke, sarcasm. I made the video for female Jamie. I was civil and polite. But she came to me first. And she said, yeah, I hate Susie. I hate Lauren. I hate them all. I don't discuss them. I want nothing to do with those people. I also saw her video. You want to sit there and call it weaponizing? No, bitches. I can talk to whoever the fuck I want to talk to. She came to me. I was civil. So I have more proof now that Blondie used her to come after me, right? To put my private conversations out there to Susie. Clap, clap, clap. I don't care. I know who approached who. You want to discuss here the word weaponizing? You weaponized my cops and CPS, my brother against me. You all weaponized people against me. You lied on me, and now it's possible you got someone in trouble. Clap, clap, clap. Uh-oh. Someone's in trouble. The next time I go live, I will be showing evidence. Buckle up. It's going to be a tough fucking ride. Yep. Buckle up. Supporters, thank you again. You're awesome. My special friends that I talk to, that I know, thank you so much also for today. Sorry, bitches. You can't have my Chanel purse or wallet. Go fuck yourselves. I love Beetlejuice and my socks. Ha ha ha. Peace out, bitches.